So say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, so today we already did it. We picked up our rooftop tent that we bought last weekend at the camping show in Brisbane. And we just drove 2 hours to pick it up, and now we have to drive 4 hours back. And Bailey has to drive because there's a trailer on the back, and we're driving the stick shift car that I can't drive.
Driving the cruiser today.
And we also got roof racks to put it on top of the roof because we have to change out the one that we already have. And we got it, it's way back there, you can't see it, but so anyway, we're driving home now. Okay, so it's the next day. We picked up the rooftop tent yesterday, like 4 hours north from here. Drove all the way back with it. It wasn't too bad of a drive. It did start pouring rain, and we had to get out and put a tarp over it, and we got soaking wet, but it's fine. That was only 30 minutes from home, so. Anyway, so we got back, and we got out the new roof racks that we got, and we had to change out the fittings on it to fit our car specifically, which took us a while to figure out how to do, but once we figured it out, we just had to do it 8 times. And now, this morning, we are adjusting them on top of the car so that we could put the tent on top. Woo! Yeah, I just woke up and came to help Bay. And yeah, we're gonna put it on top. But anyway, that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so we got our ladder here. So there's doors on 3 sides. And hey Bailey. We got a bunch of pockets, a light up there. The middle pocket's clear, so I can put my iPad in there and we can watch movies. We got blankets in here right now, and little pockets on both sides, and an awning that goes all the way around to block the sun, and a nice little mattress. And yeah.
Up to Whoville's abandoned star-studying tower. A place where the boy felt contented.
Hot coals. They're gonna stay hot. This is gonna stay in there.
Getting ready to cook our dinner. Bailey is.
Trying.
Did you put oil in it?
Yep.
We're trying to make French fries, so we gotta heat the oil first.
Yeah.
Woo!
Some French fries.
French fries. We're making French fries, baby. Fries. Woo! Can you shine the light, babe? On there. This is our setup for cooking the meat. Very nice, babe. Very nice. So last night it got really dark and we ate our dinner and then we watched Netflix on the iPad. And then we went to sleep.
I'm hungry, man. Oh, you're filming.
How was your first camp?
It was good. Had fun.
Yep.
Learned a lot.
Learned a lot what we need and stuff.
Yeah.
And
Lots of little things.
yeah. But it was good. And this morning we just woke up and watched a movie and packed up. It was good.
Good fun.
So that
It
was
got really windy last night.
Oh, it did. And I thought someone was walking outside the tent and I was like awake and I swear I heard footsteps. But I think it was just the wind. And I was really scared. But we made it out alive.